Hold on them so I don't lose them about that, boy.
You're 100% sure this bolt came out of that hole.
Guess where the bolts are at, boys.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are the bolts at?
In the hole.
In the mother-loving garage. In the garage.
Son of a bitch. Alright, so.
Did you switch out job home, boys?
Nah. Think we're gonna need a bolt. Think that's the answer, right?
Yeah, probably so.
We need a bolt, boys. We're gonna get on that. Here we go, boys. Gotta get something this size and this long, right?
Yeah, that's the goal.
Luckily, I grabbed these when my, Any of them are going to be long enough, are they?
Is that one longer than the stock?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because it's got to reach through all that.
Yeah.
I think we might have to go grab a bolt. Honestly. It's so weird that it fit through the front one, though, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And these are all the bolts that came with it.
Yeah, that's everything that came with it.
Just didn't really give me an option. I mean, well, no, actually, I think they do. Spacers. Same width as those. Is that what that is? No.
Nah.
That's actually the
Yeah.
easy switch out job home, boys.
Nah.
Always
Always.
Think we're gonna need a bolt. Think that's the answer, right?
Yeah, probably so.
We need a bolt, boys. Alrighty, we're gonna get on that.
That's how videos go, boy. That's why vlogs are so interesting, man. You never know what's gonna happen. We got our bolts ready. We're gonna pack up in the old cage. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And head out. We'll take you on the trip. I guess we'll just run up to.
O'Reilly's.
I think we'll just probably run up to O'Reilly's. Boys, heading out. Guess where the bolts are at, boys. Where are the bolts at? In the mother-loving garage. In the garage. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Airtime.
Oh, shoot. Got the bolts, boys.
Yeah.
You can see how beautiful it is out here today. Just a beautiful day.
Oh, man.
Beautiful day to be in the garage, do a little wrenching with the boys, you know what I'm saying? Rolling into O'Reilly's, boys. Rolling into O'Reilly's. Hold on to these so I don't lose them. Sorry about that. Hold on to them so I don't lose them about that, boy. Let's go see if we can find a bolt. Let's go see if we can find a bolt, boys. But we know where the bolts are, boys. We know where the bolts are. Oh, yeah, I think we're going to be dialed here.
Yep.
5/16, and how long is this? 2 inches, 5/16. 5/16.
This comes real handy, boys.
Mm-hmm. 2 inch.
Think we're dialed.
Next bolt.
No flange. Perfect.
I think that's what we're looking for, ain't it, boys?
I think so.
Yep. I think we'll be good.
Mm-hmm.
I think it looks good.
Yep.
Okay, what else we need, boys?
Loctite.
Need some Loctite.
Got the Loctite out right here.
We like to roll. The orange Loctite, which we don't see many of the boys on. The guys we watch usually, they usually use red or blue. We like.
It's right in between. It seems to work pretty good.
Seems to work real good. Used on some spacers on a truck, and they have not budged. So
that's a pretty good test.
I mean, yeah, pretty good test. So we like it. You guys let us know if you think we're wrong about that one. Actually, we use the orange, the medium grade Permatex Loctite. Let us know if you guys think we're using the wrong thing. You know what I mean? We just started using it. The red seems like it's way too hard to get off.
You gotta heat it up.
The blue's not strong enough. So let us know what you all think. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. Going with those right there. Thank you very much.
Yep. You guys have a good day.
You too. Got it, boys. Got the Loctite, got the bolts. Get back to the garage. Try to get this project finished. Like we said, just a couple bolts, just loosen a few screws, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shit.